Hey everybody, so we're going to do a quick tool haul from Home Depot, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So, I've been looking for these Spade bits for a while now. Move this up a little. These are the Daredevil Spade bits, but Home Depot didn't have them for quite a while. It just happened that today is the Friday the 27th of 2019, December 27th, and they just happened to have a bunch of these. It was $19.98 at Home Depot on one of those little Black Friday pop-up, deals or whatever. I also picked up this Milwaukee 50% less stretch, 1/2-inch nylon bond steel blade, 100-foot measuring tape, open reel long tape. This one, it was on sale for $16, and let's see, $16 exactly instead of the $29.99. And this was on sale for $19.88 instead of the $29.99. So I've been looking for these Spade bits. These are the Daredevil self-feeding with the corkscrew at the end, and the Milwaukee has a 3-to-1 gear ratio. The Milwaukee is part number 48-22-5201 for the 100-footer. It's a nice steel and plastic handle. Really nice. You can lock the handle in by flipping it the other direction. It's a 3-in-1 metal planetary gears, 1/2-inch nylon bond steel blade, 50% less stretch, kink resistant blade, 2-sided printing, 100-footer, and it looks like it stands on its own. Yep. The part number for the Daredevil set is DSB5018P. So, Dog Sam Bravo 5018 Paul. So I didn't think the prices were that bad. This also comes with its own little pouch. The next video I will do is an unboxing video, which will be a short little video. Appreciate your guys' time. I'll try to get a video out as soon as I possibly can. I don't know when that will be with these items being used. I do have another 100-foot tape, but the one I have is about this big, and it's like a chameleon from Walmart. I think I paid like 20 bucks for it, something like that. This one is actually cheaper. It's normally 30. So we'll see how well it does. Next video will be an unboxing. I appreciate your guys' time. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.